Muthee Kiengei meets Pritty Vishy, awards her 5 ambassadorial jobs in different companies. Muthee Kiengei and Pritty Vishy met up and the two seem to have quashed their beef after the preacher's hurtful comments. Don't miss out. Pritty had vowed to visit the preacher in his church together with her fans, but Kiengei reached out to her. He revealed that they had forgiven each other and he gave her 5 ambassadorial jobs in different companies. Popular preacher and church proprietor Bishop Muthee Kiengei had sparked controversy after appearing to openly mock and body shame online influencer Pritty Vishy in a recent interview at his own TV station. Kiengei, whose wisecracks and personalized preaching methods have made him wildly popular with his congregation, recently sat down with his own TV station's JCM TV presenter Liz Wangui to discuss a few topical matters before veering into a discussion about musician Steve-O Simpleboy and his former girlfriend Pritty Vishy. While mimicking Simpleboy's accent and slogans, the JCM church founder went on to rubbish the rapper's past relationship with Pritty Vishy, claiming that the content creator was only riding on Steve-O Simpleboy's popularity as she had no talent of her own.
Hii Kiengei yenyewe, hii Kiengei umekanyanga mkuki. Ile mkuki Kiengei nasema kanyari kanyari Kiengei hii umechoma Kiengei. But mimi kama mzee, kama elder, tunaomba msamaha, mimi nitatoa 1500 au 12500. Wewe omba Kiengei msamaha mikono mitupu, tunaomba na 1,000,000. Vishy, mimi sijakosea, but huyu mwanaume anaitwa Kiengei achana na mambo ya kupeana unga, achana mambo ya kusaidia wagonjwa sahi.
Kiengei says on the show,
Namu kugati mina akimanidra kenyoni kiko ya Steve Simpleboy mena Pritty Vishy. Hivyo Steve Simpleboy yana guko kwao kefera kigamba No gatinde keto ne Pritty Vishy. Mumita
Pritty Vishy. Yo manake.
Todo uyu uri oka kora Steve ne amenyeka. Na kiarenda amenyeke. Riu uri nake kumenyeka gwake ari arenda tumumenya na kunora.
Nima.
Gutondo timoini. Timodaka twetikire. She's not appealing.
Yo korori Simpleboy.
Simpleboy do. Oka kujera niko yege. Niko bum. Niko sweeta.
Yo manake.
Yo manake. Vijana. Tuache mihadara.
Soon after the video made rounds online, Kenyans started blasting the bishop for his insensitive comments, terming them unacceptable and unpalatable from a man of his societal standing. Popular female rapper Femi 1-2 joined in the chorus of condemnation, unloading her displeasure on Kiengei. She wrote, "This video done pissed me off on so many levels. This is a bishop and on Sunday he will most likely be preaching about how we are all created in the likeness of God. Who host Anna Cheka Nini, such an enabler. And that Simpleboy joke, distasteful to say the least. It's high time we have an honest conversation about the clergymen in this country."